Hi guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to set your memory seat on your P38 Range Rover. For the P38 Range Rovers, they are available with memory seats for the driver and passenger side. So the buttons are found here on the left side, and then to set a memory position, what you do is turn on the ignition. So that's the North American spec seatbelt buzzer. You move it to your desired seat position, and then you hold and press the memory seat for the number that you want to set it to. So for example, I'm gonna set it to memory seat 2. So I'm gonna hold and press the number 2 button and the seat memory button. So that beep is a sign that your memory seat 2 is already pressed. So for it to go back to seat 1, without going in the car, you just press number 1. Okay, so that's done. That beep is an indication that it's already in memory seat 1. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thank you.